In today's video, I will guide you on how to download Office Microsoft 24 for free without any problem. This can be very simple and easy. So first, you have to follow the instruction I want to give in this video in order to be able to download this and install on your laptop computer. Come to your desktop, right click and create a new folder and name this folder Office 24. Now that I've done that, then open a new browser on your device. First, you need to go and search for Office Deployment Tools. Click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, then scroll down and click on this download button. Now this has been downloaded. Now once it has been downloaded, open it. Open the file. Now here is it. You need to run this. Yes. And click on this button. Click on continue. Now save this into the folder you created on the desktop, which is Office 24. Then click on OK. This is successful. Now close this page. Now that I've done this, come over to this place. In the second window, type Office Customization Tools and click on the first link. Once you click on it, you have yourself at this place. Then scroll down. Here you need to select the architecture of your device, either 32-bit or 64-bit. In case you don't know how to get this, it's very simple. Go to the start menu, click on it, click on settings, then click on system, scroll down and click on about. Now here you should be able to see the system type, which is 64-bit on my system. Yours might be 32-bit, so come back to this place and access this information. Now that I've done that, you know which one to select. My own is 64-bit, so I'll click on 64-bit. Now scroll down here, Office Suite, click on this arrow and select anyone that suits you. So we are going to get Office Standard 24. Click on this one. Now scroll down to this place where you see latest version. You have many versions here. You can click on anyone that suits you, but let me click on the latest. Now we've clicked on the latest. Then scroll down. Here you have apps that you need to get from this platform. So you can select from this one. So I think I don't need this one that says OneDrive desktop. You may likely select it or you turn it on or off. So select anyone that suits you here. Then one that doing that, come to this first place, click on this button that says language. Now scroll down and select your language that suits you as well. I'm going for English United Kingdom. Now that I've selected your language, come over to this side. Here click on export button. Once you click on the export button, it comes out like this. You have different options here. Keep correct settings, Office ML. So we are going for Office Open XML format. Click on this button. Then once you click on it, then click on OK. Then here you have to select this one, check this, then click on export button. So that will be exported within a very few seconds. This has been exported. Now let's open this file. Now that I've opened this file, it has exported here. Then copy this file, then open this file here, paste it into this place. The file you copied, just paste it into this place. Now you have this file all along into this place. So let's open it and see it on our desktop. That everything we need for this project has been prepared here on this platform. So we have it here on our desktop. If you open this, you're going to have this file. These are the configuration you need. Now that I've done that, you need to cut this completely from your device. So right click on it, then cut. Open your C drive, then double click, paste that office you copied into this place. Once you paste it, you should see something like this. Now that I've pasted it, then you are good to go. The next option you have to do is very simple. Come to the search bar here. Let's close this page. Come to this search bar, type in CMD to bring out this command prompt. Right click and run as administrator. It opens like this. Then type cd space, that is change directory space. Then go to this place, open this Office 24, double click on it to open it. Now go and copy the directory from here into this place. Copy, Ctrl C, then come back to this place, right click to bring it, then tap on OK. This will help you to change the directory for this installation process. Now that I've done that, then I will drop this particular setup here. This is setup space /configure configuration.xml. You copy it, then you right click here, then you hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, then it will start preparing the installation process for your device. So just wait a few seconds for this to fully prepare the installation process. So the installation process is taking place. So you have to wait for a while for this to be completed. So this has to do with kind of internet you're having. So within a very few minutes, if you have very good network, it's going to install completely. Just wait for it to fully install on your device. So the installation process has been completed. Microsoft, you are all set. So close this page. Now let's open Microsoft on our device. Now here is what, let's click on it, wait for it. So if you are able to get this information, guys, congratulations, you've been able to install Microsoft Office 24 on your device. Then you can as well click and search for PowerPoint if you select PowerPoint in the installation program. So let's see it and wait for it to come up. So we've been able to install Microsoft Office on our device. That's all, guys. If you enjoyed what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. I see you soon, guys, on my next video.